Namaste everyone, welcome to Millionaire GRE. I am Punit. This is the 7th video on statistics, and in this video we are covering the concept of box plot. If you have not watched the previous videos, please go through it before continuing with this one. Let's say you are given a list which has these numbers. Here quartile 1 is 4, quartile 2 or median is 12.5, quartile 3 is 25. If you do not know how to find quartiles, please watch the previous video on quartiles. So these are the three quartiles. Now, if you draw the box plot, it will look like this. This is what a box plot looks like. Here you will notice that there are 5 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each line has a meaning. The first line represents the lowest term. The last line represents the highest term. Second line is quartile 1. Third line is quartile 2. This is quartile 3. Okay, there are 5 vertical lines in a box plot, and these are what they represent: lowest, then quartile 1, then quartile 2, then quartile 3, then highest. And we also know that quartile 1 is at 25th percentile. It means 25% are below quartile 1. Okay, we say approximately 25th percentile, so approximately 25% of the terms are below quartile 1. Similarly, quartile 2 is at 50th percentile, which means approximately 50% of the terms are below quartile 2. Now we know 25% are here. This entire should be 50%, so this has to be 25%. Similarly, in this region, there are 25% of the terms. Quartile 3 is at 75th percentile, and in this region there are 25% of the terms. There are 4 regions in a box plot. Every region has 25% of all the terms, or 1/4 of all the terms. All the regions have equal number of terms, but the regions do not have to be equal. The first region is smaller than the second region, which is smaller than the third, and this last region is the biggest. Now the regions do not have to be equally spaced, but the regions will have equal number of terms. Now let's do a question based on box plot. I want you to pause the screen and give this question a try. Hope you have done so. Let's solve it together. The hall of faces contains the faces of 4,000 deceased individuals. The box plot shows the age in years of these individuals when their faces were removed. So this box plot shows the ages. So it means if this is 4, between 4 to 30 years, there are 25% of the individuals, or 1,000 individuals, or 1,000 faces, because 25% of 4,000 is 1,000. Similarly, in this region, second region, there are 1,000 faces. Here there are 1,000 faces. In the last region also there are 1,000 faces. Now we know this line is quartile 1, which will be 25th percentile. This line is the 50th percentile line. Similarly, this is 75th percentile line. Let's read the question further. If the 37.5th percentile of the ages is X, what must be true? Okay. Now 25th percentile is this, 50th percentile is this. 37.5 is equidistant from 25 and 50, or you can say it's the average of 25 and 50. But does it mean that 37.5th percentile will lie exactly in the middle? We do not know. We do not know, because we do not know the 1,000 terms which are here are evenly distributed or not, are equally spread out or not. We do not know how are the 1,000 faces distributed in this region. So we cannot say for certain that 37.5th percentile will exactly be in the middle, will exactly be 40. Okay, it's possible that the value is here, 37.5th percentile is here. It's also possible it's 40. It's possible it's, let's say, 48. It can be anywhere in this region. So all we can say that X should be between 30 and 50, but where will it exactly lie? We cannot say. Hence our answer is D. With this, we have come to the conclusion of this video. If you learned something, if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one, in which we will discuss normal distribution. It's a very important concept. Bye.